The NBA joins the Metaverse. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Today, Meta announced that it has partnered with the National Basketball Association, NBA, to bring the NBA Lane experience to Horizon Worlds Metaverse VR in honor of the league's 75th anniversary, giving you a chance to explore an NBA-themed wonderland with tons of games and activities to complete. From now until June 30, those in Meta Quest 2 can log into Horizon Worlds and visit the Events tab to find NBA Lane, a new world dedicated to all things NBA. Here you can participate in free throws, watch viral NBA clips on the big screen, and take selfies in the awards room. Pretty much anything a basketball fan could ask for. Here's a full list of activities as provided by Meta: Free Throw Shootout, a multiplayer minigame that has you competing against friends and strangers to see who can score the most shots on a moving hoop within the allotted time. Low Gravity Dunk Contest, soar across the court as you try and impress the judges with your next-level dunking skills. Big Screen Highlights, watch playoff highlights, player interviews, and other NBA content on a giant video screen. Selfies in the NBA Trophy Room, go hands-on with the new Larry O'Brien Trophy in VR and snap a few selfies side by side with friends. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Meta has been hard at work partnering with numerous organizations to expand its Horizon Worlds metaverse. This past March, for example, the popular American fast food chain Wendy's opened its own world inside Horizon Worlds, allowing users to explore a custom virtual restaurant and participate in a three-point shooting competition. Earlier this week, the company announced plans to merge its live events platform Horizon Venues with Horizon Worlds, offering a one-stop shop for live entertainment. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.